Hello friends, welcome back to Dash of Spices. It's been a long time since we've posted a video, but now I'm excited to share with you this air fried edamame. This is one of our favorite snacks. You can make this during daytime or even a midnight snacks. It's healthy, it's easy, and super delicious. Let's start with this frozen edamame. You're welcome to use a fresh edamame as well, but for convenience, I just grab a frozen edamame. Just place this in a bowl. Now keep in mind, if you're buying a frozen edamame, it doesn't come with a perfect shape. Some of those are cut out already, but it's okay, it's still gonna be cooked. Add olive oil or oil of your choice. Season this with garlic pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, garlic with Himalayan salt, and a little bit of soy sauce. Mix this together until well combined. Make sure that all the pods are well coated with the seasoning. Cover this with a plastic wrap and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, just simply add those pods into the air fryer basket. Give it a shake to kind of even it out, like what I'm doing right here. Place this in the air fryer unit. Now the Cosori comes with a vegetable icon, which gives you a right temperature for vegetable. Cooking this 300 degrees for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, go ahead and remove the basket. Give it a shake or flip this on the other side, like what I'm doing right here. Place this back in the air fryer unit. Cook it for 2 minutes on 400 degrees. Then after 2 minutes, there you go. This is actually good. This is our favorite snacks. It's very easy to make and super delicious and very healthy. It's cooked perfectly. Top this with toasted sesame seeds. You're going to love this. If you like edamame, this recipe is good for you.
Is it hot?
I mean, temperature wise, blow on it first. Okay.
Open it, and get the beans.
Put the beans on your... can you look at the camera? How is
that's
it?
good.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
You like that?
That's good.